Today, I'm going to show you how to replace every single bulb in the front end of your 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra. I have already put LED switchback signals in. I did my highs and lows. I did my fog lights, but today I'm going to be replacing the little side marker bulb in here because mine does not work. I'm going to come down here in your front wheel well and get these two bolts out right here. They're an 8mm, but I can't find my 8, so 9/32. Now you want to pull this bumper out, this little plastic bumper. After you get those two out, you don't want to pull down, you don't want to pull up, don't twist it, just pull straight out. Just like that. So once this is popped out, you look straight in this hole. You've got a 10mm bolt right there. All right, once you get your hood popped, you're gonna want to take this cover off. You got all these push pins all over this whole thing, so you want to pull those out, flathead. All right, once you got them all out, take this cover off, move it to the side. Now we've got all this exposed, and we can access both of our headlight bolts right here and right here on both sides, but we're doing this one first. So again, 10mm, get these out. All right, once you get those out, you're just gonna wanna make sure that this clip is underneath. This clip right here is underneath this, because usually when you first do it, it'll be like that. You just wanna make sure you push that underneath, so when you pull this headlight out, it doesn't break that clip. But you should be good to go ahead and kind of rock your headlight forward to get access to all your bulbs back here. All right, so your low beam is up top. I'll leave a link in the description to the exact ones that I got. And then for your high beams, you're gonna have 9005. Again, I'll leave the link in the description. It's actually a kit. It came with both, or all four. But yeah, the way you remove these, you literally just twist. So it's the same way for factory ones, and then when you switch out your bulb, you just reinstall, figure out how it fits in there. There's like a little, yeah, just like that. There's like little hooks. So it only goes in one way, so you'll have to spin it until it clicks in. And then same way down there. And then here with your turn signals. These are what the switchback bulbs look like. They're projector as well. So again, it's another situation where you got to figure out where those hooks are. Twist it in. You got two. Got one here, one there. And then today, I'm going to be replacing just this little side marker bulb right here. Because as you can see, figure out which way it twists. There we go. As you can see, mine are pretty burnt. So I just bought this little bag on Amazon of white LED bulbs. These are the T10 bulb. All right, so you're just gonna grab your factory bulb and just pull it out. It just pops right out, straight out. You don't twist it or nothing, just pull it straight out. And we're gonna take our new one, pop it in here. We're gonna see if it works. Just like that, we got it fixed. So I hit the unlock. There it is. Lock it, turns off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back into its socket. Twist it in. Just like that. All right, so we'll go ahead and start these top two. Enough. All right, now we're gonna come down here, and you see how that fork is lined up perfectly with that. So you're just gonna go ahead and reach in there. Time to do it from over here. All right, so I've got that started in. So you want to come up top and go ahead and tighten these down. All right, once that headlight assembly is back in, you can go ahead and line these clips back up in your bumper and just pop them back in just like that. Put them 2 bolts back in. All right, so now we're gonna repeat the exact same process on this side. Yeah, the bulb on this side's busted all the way open. Grab some pliers to get that out so we're not touching that glass. All right, so it broke a little more in that process, but I just grabbed this little core right here inside the bulb. Right there. And then pulled it out. All right, let's see what we got. There it is. All right. We've got light in both of our corners now. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this cover back on, and then I'll show the fog lights. All right, so your fog light number is 5202. Again, I'll leave a link to the description for all the bulbs I use in this video. But here's your factory harness right here. If you have factory bulbs in right now, this harness is going to be going straight to your fog light with a bulb on the other side of it. You'll have this little assembly right here on your factory bulb as well that clips in on the top and the bottom of your fog light. You just want to loosen those clips, pop that assembly out, and remove it from this harness, and then just clip on your new plug and clip in your new bulb. All right, that's gonna end it for this video. You've been a real crowd for me today, buddy. But it's gonna be it for this video.